open the TradingView website. Now click the indicators section at the top of the TradingView website. Then in the search bar type long-term buy sell signal by Bonnie and add this indicator to your chart. However, before we dive into using this indicator for the trade entries, we need to adjust the settings. So step by step, make the necessary changes according to the video. Now we can easily enter trades based on the buy and sell signal generated by this indicator. So now let's take a moment to review the signals that have been issued in the chart's history and see the accuracy of this indicator's signaling. As you observe, by analyzing the chart's history and executing just 6 trades, we managed to achieve a staggering profit exceeding 100%. This is truly remarkable for trading a strategy that relies solely on a signal indicator. But wait, I'm not done yet. I'm about to enhance this strategy even further by adding 2 more filters. So let's proceed and add the next indicator, which serves as a filter in this strategy to the chart. However, before we do that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to hit the red subscribe button below this video and give it a thumbs up. Alright, now let's head over to the indicator section and search for EMA slope histogram and add this indicator to your chart as well. Now before using this oscillator as a filter, let's head to its settings and step by step apply the necessary adjustments just like in the video. With these adjustments in place, you can use the histogram of this oscillator to identify signals that might not have sufficient strength. For this purpose, if a buy signals coincidence with a time when the oscillator histogram is also above 0, we can recognize it as a potent signal and open a long position. Similarly, if a sell signal coincidence with a time when the oscillator histogram is below 0 line, we can consider it for entering a short position. For instance, in this example, example, a sell signal has been issued, but the corresponding oscillator histogram is above 0. Therefore, the signal is weak and we shouldn't be considered for position opening. In the next example, we have a buy signal, but since the oscillator histogram is below 0, we should label the signal as a weak and disregard it. However, in the following case, a sell signal has been properly filtered, preventing a potential loss. On the flip side, the subsequent buy signal is identified as a strong, resulting in a successful 20% profit gain upon entering the position. In the next example, a sell signal has been issued during a ranging market trend. The signal has been filtered out by the positive histogram of the oscillator. However, by confirming the subsequent buy signal and entering the trade, we managed to achieve a successful profit gain of 19% profit. Now, as the second filter, let's add the HA market bias indicator to the strategy from the indicator section. After adding the indicator to your chart, head to its settings and apply the necessary changes as shown in the video. By doing this, identifying the trend becomes incredibly straightforward. Pay attention to where the price is in relation to the indicator's band. If it's above the band, there's an upward trend, and if it's below, there's a downward trend. Another great feature of this indicator is its ability to identify ranging market trends. To achieve this, if the price is moving within the bands, avoid entering trades. Alright, we've got all the necessary tools to transform into a successful trader with consistent profitability. Now, we just need to define the entry and exit rules for our trades. Let's start by outlining the rules for entering long trades. To initiate a long position, we need to have a buy signal present on the chart. And the next step, this buy signal should occur in an upward trending market, meaning the price is above the market bias indicator. Finally, the histogram of the oscillator should be above the zero line to confirm the buy signal. With all these conditions met, we all set to open a long position. And for risk management, you can utilize the recent swing low as your stop loss level. Lastly, to secure your profits, consider using a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And to initiate a short position, we need a sell signal to be presented on the chart. Moving forward, this sell signal should align with a downward trending market, indicating that the price is below the market bias indicator. Next, the oscillator's histogram should be below the zero line to validate the sell signal. With all these conditions aligned, you're ready to open a short position. For managing risk, you can consider using recent swing high as your stop loss level. Lastly, to secure the profits, contemplate employing a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. But ultimately, if you're aiming to trade with my personal strategy and consistently profit from markets like Forex and cryptocurrencies just like I do, then you absolutely should watch this video.